Hello everyone and welcome to the demo on the local emulator for Service Bus. Today I'll be walking you through the background necessity and practical use of this amazing tool.
Before we dive into emulator, let us quickly discuss Azure Service Bus itself. Service Bus is a fully managed enterprise message broker that offers message queues and publish subscribe topics. It helps decouple applications and services, ensuring reliable and secure communication between them. Now let's look at some of the key features. First, we have message queues that ensures a reliable delivery of messages with FIFO and dead lettering capabilities. Next, topics and subscriptions enable publish subscribe messaging patterns for scalable communication. Lastly, advanced messaging features support scheduled messages, message deferral, and batch processing.
The local emulator for Service Bus is designed to help developers test and develop solutions locally without needing a cloud instance of Service Bus. The emulator is particularly useful for scenarios where we need to work offline or in environments with strict security restrictions. By using the emulator, we can simulate the behavior of Azure Service Bus on our local machines, which speeds up our development cycles and reduces our dependency on cloud resources. Now let's dive into the key features. The emulator supports a subset of Service Bus features, including sending and receiving messages via queues and topics, dead lettering, message ordering, and more. It runs in a container, makes it easy to set up and use. This means we can quickly spin up the emulator and start testing applications without any hassle.
This is what a very high-level architecture would look like. Emulator runs on a Docker container and does not depend on cloud connection.
Before diving into the use cases, let us first run through the prerequisites. To be able to run the emulator, you should have the Docker desktop installed on your machine. If you are working on Windows, you should also install WSL and configure Docker to use WSL.
To run the Service Bus emulator, you can use an automated script or a Linux container. Let's try using the script. You would need to clone the emulator's GitHub installer repository locally before running the automated script. The first step is to allow the execution of unsigned scripts by running this command in the PowerShell window. You can then run the setup script.
Please activate the feature that you would like to use from false to true and vice versa. Now let us test sending and receiving messages. To do this, you have to run with the appropriate code snippet as you can see in the screen. In this use case, we are sending messages from queue and publishing them to subscriptions using different filters. Once we run it, we will be able to verify if the output results are as expected. Similarly, we use duplicate detection feature. We can set the feature as true in the config.json, save it, and then run the code that implements the feature.
You can also refer to some of these links for more information on emulator and help you get set up. Thank you.